Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Hafiz M.Atta-ur-Rehman from Royal Debating and Counseling Club platform. Today, the topic of my speech is Role of Youth in Pakistan. Mr. President, youth all over the world through history has been revolutionary forces. It is precious asset and opulence that can revive a nation going through hard times. Mr. President, youth of a nation can do wonders if availed, trained, educated, and informed in an optimum fashion. Literally, it refers to all human forces in a nation lying between the age of 18 to 29 years. Pakistan, our much loved country, is passing through challenges in regard of economy, social and political turmoil. Mr. President, crime rate is increasing with a fast depletion of natural resources, agriculture, and power shortage, with instances of severe human rights. Mr. President, youth should advocate against any discrepancies and incongruity that affects the social political culture of Pakistan. Student unions and groups can mobilize and advocate their point of views by writing to newspaper, participating in media, internet blogs, net communities, and magazines by pressurizing the authorities to bring those changes that can transform the country from zero to hero. A sense of responsibility among all the citizens and among the youth in specific can trigger change towards a tolerant and peaceful society. So, my dear fellows, an educated and proactive youth can find solutions in peaceful manners rather than deteriorating the affairs. Youth should get motivated and also encourages their peers, colleagues, and friends to bring about a change in the mindset of whole nation